Hey, my little angels, how are you? Come on in, come on in. We're just going to do something just fun, okay? I love mystery boxes, and you know how much fun we had with the one from Lost at Sea Candles on Etsy. This one is another one I ordered from More Better VTGN for vintage stuff on Etsy, and I can't wait to see what they said. I have not looked, you guys. I have not. I opened it up. It's with paper, a beautiful handmade thank you card, which I love. So we're going to open it together. So everybody be comfy. Get your seats. Oh, come on. 3 of you can fit there. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. That's it. Get to know each other. Talk amongst yourselves. The rocking chair over there, that's a good one. Oh, if you want some throw cushions, I've got some over there. And there's some meditation cushions over there. Yeah, I love meditation cushions. Sit, sit, sit. Everybody comfy? Good. There's some cold beverages well, they're chilled anyways. Chilled beverages in the fridge. And over there on the coffee bar is coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. Both dark and white. Help yourselves. I see we have some new little angels. Hi, new little angels. Thank you so much for being here. I'm glad you're here. If you like it, you can give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Comments are incredible. Just incredible. And we love the comments here. So please do. And the reason we like the comments is that we can interact with each other. I love interacting with you. I love watching you guys interact with each other. You're so, so supportive to each other. And I love that. Okay, I really do. I would like to pick out a few names specifically. And I don't mean to leave anyone out. I'm sorry. These are just the names off the top of my head. Farm Girl Vibes, Owen Anderson, Slow Reader Girly. You guys interact with each other so well. Lou, you do it too. Beverly, Elizabeth, I've seen you guys be so supportive of the other subscribers. And I love that. I really do. So the reason we do it is it connects us. And when we connect, we take this great big world and we make it smaller. And I love that, you guys. It's a good thing. And my returning little angels, hi guys. I'm not leaving any of you out. I appreciate each and every one of you. I really do. I wouldn't have a channel without you guys. So please keep the comments coming. And anyone who's not subscribed, please consider hitting that link below and subscribing. The only thing that will happen is that I will show up in your feed more when I post a new video. That's all. Okay, so thank you. So like I said, we're opening this from Vintage. Oh, I didn't realize they wrote a note on the back. Thank you for supporting small business. Hope you enjoy the mystery box, Natasha. Oh, I love that. I love personal touches. That's why I'm kind of into Etsy right now. I'm trying to get away from big corporations. And I've heard you guys about Temu. I have, or Temu, however, and Shen and all that. And I'm trying. And I'm trying not to order from Amazon. And I'm trying to give small businesses, especially local here. But I know they ship all over. So let's take this off. Now, this was a vintage mystery box, and it was supposed to be 3 items, but I can already see 4. So I like that. Thank you. And you could leave notes. Like I said, please, no mugs or tumblers because, you know, Uncle Angel. Anyway, so let's get right into it. I see one already. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, I love this. They're all wrapped with bubble paper. And look at the little butterfly with the pink satin ribbon. That's such a nice touch. I love that. I think that's so special. I really do. And that's what I like about Etsy, is these special touches, you know? Okay, guys, let's see what we've got. Any guesses? I like vintage things. Obviously, I am vintage. I should have brought my scissors over, but I do have a letter opener, so I can do that. Plus, who doesn't love bubble wrap? Guys, this is so pretty. Look, the little dish. I can keep soap in it. I can keep candies in it. I can keep my keys in it. It's so pretty and it's a nice size. Oh, I love the flowers and the butterfly. What a nice tie-in, the butterfly with it. Okay, so far I'm happy. Happy. This one's another one wrapped with the pink ribbon and a butterfly. Oh, I think I'm sensing a motif here. So let's take that off. I'm going to save the butterflies. Save the butterflies. Okay. So I know it's taped here. Okay. It's so well packaged. I will give you that. This is incredibly well packaged. So, I thought this was what it was, and I'm so excited because I know exactly the picture I want to put in here. Oh, it's a beautiful picture frame. Very vintage with the bird. I love the bird. And this is very, very pretty. I know exactly what I want to put in here too. So it's my mom and dad's picture from when they first got together. And it's black and white, and I can't wait to put it in here. And I will show it to you guys. So loving this. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. She gave me an extra item. Oh, but I said no mugs. Okay, well, let's look at this and see what it is, because it might not be. Because I have a feeling it's too big for a mug, and I think I know. And I need one. Well, I'd like one. If it's what I think it is. Oh, it's oh, I know what this is. I love this. Haven't seen it yet, but I love it. It's like Christmas time, guys. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, it's stunning. It's stunning. Oh, I love it. It's a beautiful picture. I can use this for, it's a gravy boat or even a juice picture, but you know what I'm going to use it for? A flower vase. I'm going to put wildflowers in it, artificial ones, the short ones that kind of, and make like a dome effect. I think. I love this. This is great. And it's very vintage. Very vintage. And then I think they know me. It's a beautiful journal. And look at that. They put a butterfly inside it. That's so sweet. Oh, I love this. Oh, and it's different colored pages too. And it's got that, a beautiful, there's a name for this kind of pattern and I can't think of it, but it's cloth covered. And we all know how much I like my journals. So I think this is great. Okay, guys, definitely a hit. Definitely. I love all the little touches like the butterflies. I think those are so cool. And we're keeping the butterflies. I think I'll put them up on the wall in the studio. And we are going to attempt, and I mean attempt, the beautiful crepe paper flowers that Southern Lady ASMR made. Have you guys seen that video? First of all, they're gorgeous. Second of all, they have such 3D effect. They're so pretty, and the way she put them in her treatment room for decoration, I would never have thought to do that. And they are stunning, 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 stunning. And she teaches you how to make them step by step, and she has such a great teaching voice. Okay, how to tell this is a Canadian company. It's Canadian Tire Flyers. I get it. I totally get that. So all in all, this was definitely a hit. So I'm happy for that. But let's talk, guys. Okay. One of the reasons I wanted to do this opening with you, someone recently sent me an email that said I've gotten away from my core values that I started this channel for. And I'm doing makeup and beauty and hauls. And I explained to the person that, you know what, I know they were right, but when I'm going through a dark place, I'm masking. I'm trying to do as much as I can, because you guys don't tune in to hear me whine and moan. But you do tune in to hear me share. So I apologize to all of you because I should have been sharing. I should have been sharing my struggle. And with the kitchen being done, like talk about first world problem, guys, but the chaos that's involved, along with my long COVID, I get so overwhelmed so easily, and that frustrates me because I never used to get overwhelmed. I remember when I first started working at the clinic I worked at for public health, I remember one of the nurses saying, nothing phases you, does it? You just roll with it. And I'm like, yeah, I do. I'm not doing a lot of rolling lately, guys. I'm really not. But you know what? Everyone goes through that. You know, we have to sometimes, someone recently said to me that they're good at pivoting. We have to pivot sometimes. We have to realize that our path isn't a straight path. And neither is mental health. Mental health is not a straight path. I have started my meds. I'm all better. No, I'm not. As you guys know, I've had to readjust mine. So I'm still, my body's still trying to get used to that. Adjusting those and switching from Ozempic to Majoran at the exact same time may not have been my smartest move, but what can you do, right? So one of the reasons I wanted to show you this, the haul, is I'm going to tell you guys something really personal. I have been spending money like, yeah, well, you know that. You've seen my hauls. Now, I did get a nice tax return, so, you know, I don't have to explain. I know that I don't have to explain myself. Nobody does. But it made that email made me sit down and really think about, why was I doing this? Was I just treating myself and us, or was I coping in a wrong way? Was I using it as some kind of control mechanism? I can't control anything else, but I can control this. Until the bill comes in, and then I'm like, holy crap, I was out of control. I think that happens to a lot more of us than we want to admit. And it's very personal for me to say that. So I hope I'm helping somebody, because otherwise I'm feeling a little naked here, guys. And that's not a fun place to be. And I've gotten a hold of it now. Ordering has been done, okay? I still have a few things coming, but that's okay. Because I did want that video on my birthday, and the one, I'm doing a strawberry themed and a cupcake themed, 2 videos, and I can't wait to do those. They're going to be so much fun, and I can't wait for you guys to see everything. We're going to have a blast for the birthday party, May 31st. Please join me, especially you new people. My returners know that. Because last year I threw a birthday party for you guys, because I found out a lot of you don't celebrate your birthdays. You're either away from family and friends, or you just don't feel like it, or God forbid, you'd feel like you're not worth it. Not on my watch, guys. No, 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 no. I am glad each and every one of you, that means you, were born. And I want to celebrate you. Okay, that's why I throw the party every year on my birthday for you. And it's going to be a blast, guys. We have some great companies that I've dealt with before, or that I've always wanted to deal with, who are going to provide us with some of the gifts that I will be wrapping up for you guys. And then we'll open them together too. It'll be so much fun. And it's going to be a surprise party. There might even be a game or two. There's definitely going to be cupcakes. I can tell you that much. And strawberries, lots of strawberries too. Different textures, different feelings, different scratching and tapping and hand gestures. I think you're going to love it. I hope you love it. It's one video that I can say I've completely planned out. Not written, because I don't do that. You guys know that. Well, you new people don't. My videos are one-shot deals. I kind of have an idea what I want to talk about or what I want to do, but I want to be as authentic as possible, so they're not edited. Okay, I don't know how to edit, but they're not edited. Once in a while, I can splice 2 together, but even that can become troublesome with my storage on my phone. So yeah, that's what. Did I get it under control? I hope so. Am I panic-stricken for when the bills start coming in? Pretty much. But like everything, we'll get through it. I'll get through it. Okay, I might be eating mac and cheese for the next month. I'll bounce it up. You know, you put some really good ketchup in there. It's good. Mix some ground beef. There you go. I did that the other day, you guys. I started out making this idea in my head that I would make cowboy mac and cheese, which is just mac and cheese, like homemade mac and cheese. But I would do ground beef and peppers and things in it, and not as much sauce. So yeah, I made hamburger helper. It was delicious. But when I looked in the pot, I went, oh, I made hamburger helper. Tonight I'm doing chicken. So if any of you have any good recipes for chicken tenders or chicken fillets, let me know. I've already done the breaded to death. I've done the parms to death. Anybody got anything new or interesting? I'd really appreciate it. My idea was maybe to roll them, to put some goat, actually maybe I will, because I have goat cheese, spinach, and bacon. I can make a nice little, almost like a cheese ball, and then roll the chicken fillets over it and bake them in the oven and serve with a nice little barbecue sauce. Thank you guys. Let me talking this out help. So yeah, you can tell I'm nervous because I'm all over the place with this video, because it's hard admitting I haven't made a mistake. I haven't, but I have used the wrong coping skills, and I know better. I do. But I've never dealt with a renovation before. We've never, not to this degree. And if you have a kitchen sink, go and hug your kitchen sink. Go and tell your kitchen sink how much you appreciate it. Not having a kitchen sink is freaking killing me. And how many times have I cut and gone to throw it into what's not a kitchen sink? Right now it's just a hole. So, and we're using the bathroom sink a lot to do the dishes and things. We are using a lot of paper products. I know, don't come for me if you're eco-friendly and everything. It's just easier, okay? My mental health has to come before that. And for me, making life easy right now is what I'm trying to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this chat, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I was really happy with them. They're going to be a lot of fun to put out and decide what I'm going to do with them. My favorite, though, I have to be honest. No, it's not the journal. It's a beautiful journal, but it's not. It's this dish. And I love the little texture on each corner. I love the shape of it. So, yeah. Okay. So as always, you guys, I love you. I value you. I honor you. And I'm so very, very glad that you were born.